Alright guys, here we are. It's another day in the Philippines. It's 3/20/2018. Hope everybody's doing good. Kind of feels like a long day so far. Like I said, it's 3:23 right now. I was up this morning. Hannah Grace has 2 more days left of school, actually 1 more after today. And then she's on vacation. Next month they have, like closing ceremonies and award ceremonies and things like that. So I'll finally get to sleep in. 5 o'clock in the morning every morning since June, somewhere around there, except for of course on days off and holidays. So yeah, I'll get to sleep in here. What I mean sleep in, probably 7 o'clock. But yeah, this morning got up, actually had some breakfast. Philo is back in town, so I had breakfast with him and met up with a mutual subscriber, and yeah, just had a good breakfast, good morning. Ran to a couple places, picked up soda. Oh, and our refrigerator, for some reason, the refrigerator part of it gets like frost buildup on the inside. Now the freezer itself is not a frost-free, automatically defrost. We gotta defrost it, and I mean, you guys, I think I filmed that defrosting, or I talked about it. And then everything gets cold and it's great, but for some reason we're building up frost inside the refrigerator, and when that happens, the sodas and beer and things like that, they won't get cold. So went up to the Sabres where we got it today, talked to them. They're going to send out a technician, and they're going to fix that problem. Had a subscriber stop by, him and his girlfriend. The gentleman was from Australia and stopped by at the store here and hung out for a while and talked. Like I said, I like it when subscribers stop by and talk and everything like that. But kind of been, besides this morning, kind of like a boring, chilling, hot day. The sun's out and it's getting hot. It's going to start going down here and the sun will start cooling off. Maybe I'll head up to the other area. Yeah, I'll head up to the other area and do some people watching up there and share that with you guys. So, but yeah, fun, exciting day here in the Philippines. If you call hot and not too much going on, fun and exciting. But you know what? A bad day here beats a good day back in the United States. That's how I look at it right now. So we'll get something done and we'll do something today. Guys, check it out. We bought Liberty a new toy.
It's crazy. She's crazy about it.
Yeah, she's crazy about it. She was chasing this little cap around here for a while, but she kept smacking it under the gate, so we'd have to keep getting it out from under the gate. Now this is big enough toy where she can smack it around and everything, and she ain't gonna get it stuck under the refrigerator or underneath the gate. So there is your dose of liberty for the day.
She wanna hold.
Alright guys, so Lut has been doing this facial treatment now for, I think this is the 2nd day. She did it yesterday, and as you guys seen the thumbnail from yesterday, that was her her facial cream that she's putting on. I call it the war face. So you guys enjoy Lut putting on her war face.
Oh.
All right, guys, this is the best part when she takes it off because it looks crusty, like she's got a crusty face. You said it hurts too, right?
Yeah.
She said it kind of hurts when it pulls off her skin. But it actually looks like it's coming off easier.
Yeah, but you see, this is not supposed to.
Oh yeah, you're not supposed to get in your eyebrows because when you pull it off the eyebrows, it pulls the hair off too.
Ouch. It hurts. It's like, you know, when you're dead, when the skin was changing. Oh, no, I mean, sorry. You know when the snake was changing skin?
Hey, look.
Huh?
Look at the camera and say, "Hello, Clarice."
Hello, Clarice.
Silence of the Lamb.
Huh?
Silence of the Lamb. Remember the movie?
Oh, I don't remember, but watch it.
You don't remember, but you watch it. Hannibal Lecter.
You know what's a good movie that I would like to watch? What's that called? Manchester?
Manchester?
The problem with the horror movie. Ow. Ew. Ow. Hurts.
Look here.
Ow. Hurts. La. Hindi mo charger ako mo lang ha. Alam mo, din ang phone mo. Ano ganda?
Now she's got to give the customer something with her skin face.
Masakit. Masakit sa ano. Kasi bawal dapat yung may yung buhok ko kasi. Di na ko.
You're gonna scare away the customer, Lut.
Di na ko na magbuka ko. Hindi nagpala ko ng buka. Hindi. Huwag mo lang siyang lagyan sa buhok. Yung eyebrow ko kasi nalagyan. Thank you, ganda. Ay, din. You just don't need to put at your eyebrows because it drives you crazy.
It'll rip your eyebrow hair out.
Ow.
She made a mistake yesterday and stuck it on her eyebrows. And pulled half her eyebrows out. How's your face feel? Tingly? Tingly clean?
Yeah, it's tingly clean and it's tingly hurts.
You got some in your hair, so now you got to rip it out of your hair.
Yeah, here's my... The problem is there's hair on my hair.
I don't know if it's gonna rain or what. A little cloudy up there. Nice little breeze right now. Because it was hot. But I'm just sitting out on the stool step here, watching people. People watching from my stool step. Hey, all right. What's he was selling? He was selling like some kind of beans, right, bud? Oh, he was selling eggplant. That guy that was there on the trike was selling eggplant. Oh, it says a variety of vegetables. You know, that's what happens here. You know, you got today. I had a guy stop by, and he was trying to sell eggs. Lut was upstairs taking a shower, and I didn't know what he was saying. And he kept pointing to the eggs we had on the shelf and showing me his eggs. And then finally, I caught on to what he was saying, and I'm like, no, hindi po, thank you, but you know, we're good to go. But yeah, that happens a lot here. But yeah, I'm just, like I said, I'm going to sit here and on my little stoop and people watch as people come by. I was actually going to walk up to the main intersection up there by up on MacArthur, but like I said, it might start raining here anytime, and I don't have an umbrella and I don't feel like getting soaked, so I'm going to people watch from my little stoop here outside the Sorry Sorry store. How many can we get on a motorbike in one shot? That was 4 right there. I think there was about 8 people piled in that trike that just rode by. I think that kid was giving me the middle finger. I'm not sure. No, he's throwing some kind of gang sign. It's always smile. You're okay. It's always smile, laugh, act up for the camera. What's that? What's that? What is that? What is that sign?
Sir, bigat.
Huh?
Bigat.
Bigat. What's that? Huh? What do you kids got to say? What do you got to say? Anything? What is that? What's that? Is that a gang sign?
Yeah.
Yeah? What gang? What kind of gang? What's the name? What's the name of your gang? 3 Finger. 3 Finger Gang. That's a good gang. 3 Finger Gang. Wow, look at this guy. Can you make a face too?
Bye, sir. Sir, what?
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Sir, mommy, bye-bye.
See you guys. All right, one time.
Ito circle.
I can't. I'm not good.
Ito jellyfish. Jellyfish. Yes.
Oh, I can't. I'm no good.
Yeah,
All right. They came back for one more picture. I can't see you. You got to get down. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Thank you. All right. So Luke just told me what was going on. Those kids were walking around with was it an adult? With a woman, and they're collecting donations for next week's Pabasa. Pabasa, right, Lut? Pabasa. I'll be filming that next week. That's the reading of prayers and scriptures on the loudspeakers. Starting next week, you'll start hearing over the loudspeakers prayers and psalms and things like that, commemorating the Holy Week. So yeah, next week that's coming up, and it's going to be an exciting week. I mean, a lot goes on. I covered it last year, and of course I'll cover it this year. But yeah, that's what they were doing. They were going around and they were collecting donations for what's called Pabasa. Pabasa, am I saying that right, Lut? Yeah, gotta make sure I'm saying that right. But yeah, that's what those kids were doing, and of course, anytime there's a camera around, the kids want to kid around and have fun, so. All right, guys, I don't know what's going on, if it's gonna rain or not. Kind of still cloudy, still windy out. I guess a good sign is people are walking by with their umbrellas, so I guess that's a hint that it's going to rain out. But anyways, we are going to have Lut wrap this video up. Lut, first of all, how's your face feel?
Feels good.
Does it feel fresh?
Yeah.
Feel like a new face?
Could be.
Could be. All right, Lut, what do you got to say?
All right. Today is a very productive day. It's a very good day today, and then I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow anyway, so until next time.
Till next time. There it is.